This is a 2018 Holden Commodore RS2. I'll show you a full in-depth tour of this car, show the exterior as well as interior. Really, mate? I'll show you a full in-depth tour as well as the exterior and interior. Can't start her up, but I will show you the engine nevertheless. So, yeah. So I'll explain why I did this earlier. Don't hit the Falcon, don't hit the Falcon, thank you. God, the city is loud. Alright. Up front. I don't know how to open this. Okay, that'll do. Put that there. There we go, my link and all that. Press brake to start engine, I'm not going to start the engine. That we want, where's the light controls? That, and where's the other light controls? Oh, there they are. Alright, let's go show you the exterior. Just so I get comfy in the car. So here's your engine. This is your RS engine, Ecotech. It's only going to be like a 4 or 6 cylinder. It's not going to be the V8 because the V8 is basically dead now. Well, for Aussie car manufacturing anyway. So RS is as powerful as you're ever going to get this car. That's kind of nice. I don't know why they put that there. Probably to protect that from this. Now the fun fact about these are actually the daytime running lights. They stop the lights and turn to indicators when you start to turn the car. It's actually very cool, I kind of like that. It's one of my favourite features about this car is the indicator. I absolutely love the indicators on this car. Halogen lights, which is pretty rare for a 2018 car. Chrome around the fake vents. Some nice carbon, nice plastic going on down here. It's very nice. There's your Vauxhall Opel grille with the Holden badge in the middle. But this is the style of grille that pretty much all the Holdens had. The Acadia and the Commodore had this. That style of grille. Equinox didn't because it's based off the Chevy. Nice rims on it. Black. Aftermarket. Like that. I think they're like 20s, aren't they? Nice shape. Very elegant looking car. Keyless entry on all 4 doors. Do apologise about the wind, there's nothing I can do about it. And the car decided, hey, it's going to be windy today. These are LEDs, as you can probably tell. They're a little bit brighter than they are when they're not working. Commodore. RS. Hatch. Commodore shouldn't be a hatch. Parking sensors. Dual exhausts. This is immaculate. I love the ring on it. Not the ring, the rear wing on it. It's very flat, very nice. Now don't get me wrong, this is an alright car. Scott himself says it's an alright car. It's just, it shouldn't be wearing the Commodore name badge, but it shouldn't be wearing the Commodore badge because it's not a Commodore. It's an Opel, it's a Vauxhall, it's so many cars, it's even a Buick. Now it's a Commodore, it's wearing this badge. It shouldn't be. Now all the police use them, air police use them, the Aussie police uses them, and I think the British police even use them. So they're pretty good cars, if I must say so myself. So just clearing that up. It's a Commodore. It's an Aussie car. Yeah. It shouldn't be called a Commodore. Nice leather padded steering wheel, flat. This car's only clocked 51,000 k's, not surprising because of the age of this vehicle. Speedometers, speedometer and your odometer, gauges. Light controls, window controls, or got some nice carbon fibre material here. Storage, more storage. No, it's not storage. And you've got your mirror controls. These are folded mirrors. Fold in on both sides of the car. It's very, very nice. Nice and more carbon fibre. I think I already pointed that out. There we go. It's 10:30 AM, probably. Automatic transmission. Some more buttons back here. Sport mode, parking brake. Oh yeah, like I said, this car is alright. I mean, this car was a huge hit when it was released. They wouldn't keep them in the showrooms. They kept selling. I should put them outside of thieves. Some more storage in there, some more cup holders, and just some storage here. Pretty deep storage, so store your coins and all that sort of stuff in there. Storage, again, very deep. Just got a small case in there. Probably will forget that they're there, but on the dash, got this nice little sharp styling here, some chrome, some more of that carbon fibre looking texture with the vents, and it carries on into the infotainment system all the way to down there and on the other door. Got that shine that's bugging me. It's trying to glare or whatever you want to call it. Hood release down there, which is kind of odd because Euro cars usually have the hood releases over there. No, I don't know why, it's just the way they do it. Oh Christ, did not expect that. I bet you that's an indicator there. I don't know why that just honked at me. The keys are inside and the window's down. Ah, you. And the keyless entry's not going to work, so I have to unlock the car again. You see, an Aussie car wouldn't do this. Don't do that again, please. Thank you. Oh, yikes, yikes, did not see that coming. Oh. Alright, hurry up and get the car so that the other one doesn't go flying. Wait for it to settle down. There we go. Very bulky handles, so it's nice and easy to just pull the door in. It's pretty nice. Automatic windows, I think they're automatic all around. Just put that up there. Leather padded dash. Owner's manual. Look, it's even got Holden on it. ZB Commodore. That's what it is. Damn it, I was kind of expecting an Easter egg, like it'll say Vauxhall on it somewhere, but it's kind of disappointing. Are they manual adjusting seats? Oh, you can extend them. Interesting. Just pull on this little tab here and it extends them. Very nice. Just taking they're not manual because I don't feel any bars down there. Oh, yikes. Oh, no, don't you jump anywhere. Oh my god, that piece of paper, I swear. Oh. Very, very nice. Kind of taking back what I said about this car. Very, very nice car. Lots of leg room back here. Seats are absolutely comfortable. Nice little padding they've got in here, just to adjust and keep you comfy. And the car's turned itself off. Brilliant. Out of bloody 10. Nice view of the dash. Map lights. Oh, the LED map lights. Very nice. Very fancy. You've got your there's a PowerPoint there. No storage or anything. Very nice. Moving on over here. Still lots of leg room, headroom back here. Speaker, just want to point out. Very nice. Huge fuel tank. Right, is there any actual way to open the hatch without using the key? I don't think there is. So I think you're going to need the key to open the hatch. Don't know if the hatch opens automatically or not. What does that do? I'm not going to let you know, in all honesty, I'm not really that keen to find out. So there's got to be something here. Interesting. Is that it there? No, that's the hood. Okay, just checking. In here maybe? No, oh, maybe. Is that it? No. Come with me as I figure out how to open the hatch on a ZB Commodore. Yeah, I know someone's going to tell me. Someone's always going to tell me when it's too late. Nothing on the floor or anything. That's really weird. There's nothing to open the hatch. Is there like a hidden secret or something? Like, is there anything behind the badge or whatever? Do you like have to put your foot under it or something? Oh well, we're not going to get back in the hatch because I don't know how to open it. This is an awesome car review. Oh, nice little curves there. Very nice. Car review of 2020 right here. I'm very sorry, guys. I don't deserve my 81 subscribers. I have no clue. Maybe with the car turned back on, there's got to be something to open this hatch. Right, nothing. Interesting. Oh well, there you guys have it. Alright, you can turn yourself back off, car, because you're going to anyway. So there you guys have it, that is the review of the 2018 Holden ZB Commodore. Vauxhall Insigna, Opel Insigna, Buick Riviera, whatever you want to call it. Same car. I've really changed my opinion about this car. Highly recommend it, it's an awesome, awesome car. I love the styling, I love all the features about it, except for how to open the tailgate, because that's really annoying me. But there you guys have it, that is the review of the 2018 ZB Commodore. Hope you enjoyed.